All right, let's get straight to it. Is Uber driving still profitable in 2025? I've got the numbers, the breakdown, and the honest truth. Whether you're hustling full-time or working Uber for side cash, you're gonna want to hear this. Now let me clarify, I've driven in 3 very different parts of the US: New York City, Los Angeles, and good old Texas. Each has its own vibe, its own challenges, and yes, its own earnings potential. So buckle up, I'm about to spill the beans on how much I've been bringing in lately. Let's kick it off with NYC, the city that never sleeps, and neither do the riders. Here's the deal. During peak hours and surge pricing, I've pulled in around $35 to $45 an hour. But, and this is a big but, factor in tolls, higher gas prices, and insane traffic, and that number starts to feel smaller. Still, if you're strategic and stick to rush hours and weekend nights, NYC can be a goldmine. Now Louisiana, sunny skies and soul-crushing traffic. Here's the truth about Los Angeles. My hourly earnings here average $25 to $35. Why the difference? Well, longer rides mean more mileage, and the payout per mile is solid. Plus, electric vehicles are a game changer here because of California's incentives. If you're driving a Tesla or a hybrid, you're cutting costs big time. And finally, let's talk Texas. Whether you're cruising through Dallas, Houston, or Austin, this state has one major advantage: lower expenses. Gas is cheaper, and the cost of living isn't through the roof like in NYC or LA. My earnings here hover around $20 to $30 an hour, but without the steep costs, my profits feel healthier? You get what I mean. So can you still make money driving Uber in 2025? Yes. But here's the catch, you've got to be smart about it. Track your expenses, drive during peak hours, use Uber Pro perks if you've got them, and honestly, consider driving an EV. It's saved me hundreds of dollars a month. At the end of the day, Uber driving is what you make of it. It's flexible, it's accessible, and yeah, it can still pay the bills. Just don't forget to hustle smart and plan ahead. That's the ticket to making 2025 work for you. All right, now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and let me know where you're driving and what your profits look like. Maybe together, we can crack the code for making Uber driving even more profitable this year. See you in the next video.